Hello, Ramon with Current Technologies. When it comes to IT support in the organizations that I visit, I find the following scenarios. They'll either have an MSP that charges a monthly flat fee for their services, or they're with an independent one or two person shop, or they have the most technology savvy person in the office handling their IT. So the question is, when is it time to move on from those scenarios? So here are some reasons that you should begin to question and address if there's a reason to move on. Okay, so let's say you have a MSP that charges a monthly flat rate. Do you get a monthly statement that lists every service and what they've done in your account? If you don't, then that may be a reason. Another reason for to move on with a MSP is they white label the software they include in their services. So such as MSP antivirus software. Well, instead of saying Trend Micro or Barracuda or any of the other ones that are available. Let's say you have an independent one or two person shop. Well, here's some reasons you may want to think about moving on. Is they're not up to date on their certifications. They are not responsive because they don't have enough engineers to be able to handle all of their clients' their issues. And for some, this is not their full-time job. Usually it's someone that has been a friend of the business or the owner for a while, and they do something else, and then they help out with IT. And finally, the most technology savvy person in the office. Well, some reasons or signs that you need to move on is that person is not able to do the job they're actually hired to do. They were hired to be an engineer, an architect. They're hired to be the operations manager, but they're needing to reset passwords and set up networks. They put technology projects on the back burner because they're busy with the day-to-day IT and having to do their job. And another reason would be that your network is growing to 10 plus computers. You've got a bunch of hardware, and the time is beginning to catch up to them and they're being overwhelmed. If you're concerned that you might need to move on or you fit in with one of these reasons, please reach out to me. I would love to have that conversation. You can reach out to me with the information above, and please like, share, comment, follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube at #IT You Can Thrive On, and don't forget to subscribe to our podcast Cyber Connect on Spotify. Until next week, be safe.